So this was a work day. Ended up putting a couple miles on after I got done, but morning was mostly work stuff. Nice little sunrise. We're out in the middle of nowhere. This was the North River we're going to, and just jumped across Albemarle Sound to the mouth of the Alligator River. Both wicked scooted spots, and Peanut, of course, antics because I'm working, so this is what she does. But anyways, we did cross, pretty uneventful. Wind was pretty useless, but this Coast Guard big ass plane kept on just, it was, I don't know if it was running drills or what, but saw that all day. And then pulled in. There's nowhere to land here. Alligators, I presume, everywhere. It's the name of the Alligator River. But we got set up, and this is when Lila decided she wanted to push a little more. But there's squalls all over the place in the afternoon, which is real pretty when it's all around us. Watching, we can see everything in between, and then it hit us, and we got blasted just from like 9 to 10 o'clock at night. Thunder and lightning like crazy, 45-mile-an-hour winds, swinging around like a roller coaster. Can't see anything until lightning flashes. Just great show and all, but nerve-wracking. And put off getting to sleep till late, which is why I'm yawning this morning. But that's the rest of the video. Get some of the storm and everything. Enjoy it. It's just nuts because it's basically clear here, and then over here it's fucking gorgeous. Over there, death. Death. This is the second bout it missed us, which is good, but holy shit. I wish I had started the video 2 seconds earlier.